Happy birthday, nigga. For me?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, nigga. For me?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Damien. Happy ones on my love. To my love. You on top of the world, Craig? Wanna see out the window? You guys, Damien officially turned 1 year old in Vegas, man. We about to turn up. Psych, man. We about to go home, man. We about to go home. I'm try to cop me some fireworks before we go back home. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And wish Damien a happy birthday, man. So you think? You have fun on your birthday? Huh? Them dinky feet. Them are dinky feet, huh? Cardi. You guys have fun? Say bye to Circus Circus. Cardi, say bye to Circus Circus. We're not staying here no more. We're going back home. Might stop at the fireworks store, give me some fireworks, man, before we hit the road. Cause you know, 4th of July, I plan on going up and blowing up the damn sky like I do every year since I was like 5 years old. I remember me and my dad used to be in Compton till like 12, 1 o'clock in the morning with blisters, black shit all on our fingers from the lighters and shit. But man, this is like a tradition for me, man. I really love fireworks and shit. I'm gonna say bye to Vegas and shit. How was your experience at Vegas for your first time?
It was fun. I had fun.
Yeah, I mean,
and stuff.
Yeah, we was at Circus Circus for the kids mainly. We didn't even get to hit the strip. The strip would have been way funner for the grown people. You guys have fun though?
Yeah.
You ready to go home? You ready to go to your room? Ready to go see Draco? Oh my God, bro, we gotta go see Draco, see how he's doing. I hope he's doing good. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up the camera when we at the fireworks store, whatever. Home sweet home, we home, y'all. Finally made it. Or some hour drive, huh? Got fireworks right there. Home sweet home, bro.
Finally.
Yeah, bro. My legs are dead, bro. For real. Hurry up, go pee. I've been saying you had to go pee the whole time. Come on, I'm gonna get you guys out right now. Yeah, man. We finally made it home. Home sweet home. Thank God we made it home. No problem, no issues. And y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna make a separate video for my damn fireworks. So I bought a whole bunch. Look, I smuggled a whole bunch of fireworks, bro. That's not even, huh?
Yeah.
Why does it feel wet? You gotta wet my stuff?
It's like,
Come on, it's like a 42 shot. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm telling you, bro. Come on, Draco boy. What's up, Draco? Draco. How you doing this heat, boy?
oh man.
You happy to see you? You can put them down. Let them walk. Let them walk to the house. Hey, come on. I know you happy. I know you happy. To my Draco. To my Draco, huh? Put them down. Let them walk to the house. Hey. Alright, y'all, man. As y'all can see, man, we back home. I just been chilling, man, because if y'all know how it is traveling, getting to your own crib, man. With kids, it's hectic, man. But today is Father's Day. Today is Damien's birthday. We got him a whole bunch of presents. We did cake. We ate. We did everything we did for his birthday. I got him this because I know he liked cocoa melon. Chickadee, happy birthday. He about to go to sleep. He about to pop a firework. Chickadee, happy birthday. I don't want to wake him up, bro. I don't want to scare him with no fireworks neither. Bro. I don't care about the neighbors and shit. I'll blow the motherfucking sky up. But anyway, I got him the cocoa melon. I know he likes cocoa melon, so you know how to give him this. He taps all that stuff. As you can see, he is going to sleep. Say something to the vlog. What do you want to say?
Like this video and subscribe.
That's all you want to say? Okay. My chickadee. I'm going to go take him to his bed right now, right? I'm going to come back right now. Should I do a firework? I'm gonna do it, yeah, I might do one and I'm gonna blow up a canister shell, man, go up in the sky. Draco, he's on the side, but yeah, it's crazy, man, when we all up in the house. So I can't be having that. I'm gonna show you what I'm about to blow up.
Yeah.
Damien's asleep.
Oh, she put him to sleep?
Yeah.
Hey, don't put me on the camera like this, bro.
She's asleep with him. Yeah. I'm about to blow up this one. 16 shots by Red Apple. Oh my god, man. It was my dream come true, bro. I'm about to blow up this one. You hear me? Yes, Ersky. 5-inch shell, bro. I'm about to get that.
Oh, that's Eric's.
Sit your ass, bro.
Oh, you recording?
Yeah.
Huh?
She said, hey.
Ring my phone.
Oh, you blow.
Say hi to the vlog, Jessica.
The vlog. What's the
You better subscribe back to my shit. Oh God, you hear
You
me?
say you better subscribe back to her shit.
Look at my booty.
Look.
Look at my booty.
Oh my god, look.
Man, drop a like on this video. Y'all want to see some motherfucking action in the sky on Father's Day, on Damien's birthday too, man. I'm trying to blow some shit up. It's people popping fireworks too, man. That's why I'm like, I was gonna say my shit because usually, like with these ones, how it came with a whole bunch of these little 16 shots, bro. I just through the whole day from like 11 o'clock through the whole day till nighttime, bro. That's what I just be blowing to the big shit, bro. But I'm still trying to get a family box, a couple more cakes, and that's it, bro. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of shit like Roman candles, and that's a wrap for that. But I want to blow some shit up right now because it is Father's Day, and I'm talking too much when I need to be blowing shit up. You hear me? You guys too?
Oh, what is that
Let
one?
me see. Let me see what it is.
Okay.
Alright, so this one I'm blowing up, man. A chroma, a red apple. You got me good lighting? You're right here. Zoom in on it. I don't know what the hell this is. Sushi, 16 shots, chroma, 1 shot. Let's get it.
Okay.
You guys stay right there, please.
Okay.
Make sure you get your
Let me see if I don't think I can use my flash from it. You can't even see, it's dark. It's dark, fool. I'm running. Oh my god. Cardi, move. Ow.
Turn your brightness up.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Cardi, move. Oh, you can't like that one. Cardi, move. Oh. Oh shit, that one. Cardi, move. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Bro, I'm fucking nervous, bro. That shit was an epic fail, bro. My heart is fucking racing, bro. That shit never fucking happened to me. I don't know what the fuck happened, bro. I'm fucking nervous, bro. I'm shaking. The next door neighbors have a fucking camera, and that shit was exploding in their fucking yard, bro. I'm fucking. If they gonna tell the cops, bro, and snitch, bro, I'm fucking. Bro, I'm done. I'm going to jail, bro. If I'm on camera, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro. I'm nervous, bro. Oh my god. Instantly ran in and fucking threw the shit. Please go outside and find the coma. I threw the fucking bomb. Go find it in the yard, please. You see it? No, not the exploding one, the fucking white one. Please go find it. Oh my god, bro. I'm not going out there, bro. Close the quiet. Shh.
The exploding one was that one, was it?
Where's the bomb? I don't want them to find the fucking bomb out there. I just threw that shit straight in. Bro, can you find the fucking bomb in the front, please? Go. Go. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck, bro. Oh, I'm fucking nervous, bro. The helicopters came out, bro. But there was other fucking people blowing fire, bro. Bro, that shit fucking tipped, bro. Fuck. Fuck, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro. I'm on fucking camera, bro. Oh my god, I need a smoke. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck, bro, I gotta hide all this shit, man. Fuck. Shit. That was a fucking fail, bro. That shit never fucking happened to me. fuck, I don't know if the street was level, bro. I was being fucking excited and shit, bro. I'm fucking nervous, bro. I'm on fucking camera. That's the only reason why. Don't. Oh my god, bro. I hope she finds the bomb. I don't know where it went, bro. I just threw that shit in the garage and ran. You guys, bro. I'm fucking that nervous, bro. This is loaded. Not loaded, but I need to cock it back. But I have a flashlight on it. I'm looking for the damn bomb. The 5-inch bomb, bro. When I threw the damn tube, I've been trying to watch the damn footage. I don't know where the fucking bomb went. We're one tube down, look. I can't find the fucking bomb. I remember I was like this and I just threw the bomb. I've been trying to look through all these bags and shit. I don't see nothing sparkly with the flash on. But we are one tube down with my dumb ass. Look at this shit, y'all. Fuck, I'm nervous. I thought the camera was the fucking strap. I'm like trying to put my finger off the damn trigger like this and shit. I'm that nervous, bro. This shit is fucking done for it. Oh my god, I can see that. This shit is done for it, bro. Shit is. That shit is. I mean, bro, I don't know how that shit tipped over. Thank the Lord, bro. It was only a few shots. But like I said, they got me on camera and shit, bro. They got camera and shit, bro. I don't know. That shit was just so scary, bro. For the past hour, I've been trying to look for the damn fucking 5-inch bomb. I cannot find that shit nowhere. And Serena's over here like, why the fuck you tripping? Why you acting nervous and shit? Motherfucker. My damn, bro, I thought that was somebody. Oh my god. My damn 5-inch bomb is just laying out somewhere in the fucking street. That's evidence. And the neighbors got me on fucking camera. That records across the street. The neighbor's yard got blown up. Their yard got blown up. We got blown up. That's why I'm fucking nervous, bro. If they take that shit to the cop, that's evidence. Number 2, there's a fucking 5-inch bomb laying around somewhere, bro. I need to go find that shit. I've been trying to find it for the last. Did I go wrong? I don't see nothing. I couldn't do that, bitch. I know I didn't go that. It's not in there, nothing. It's not in here. 5-inch tube, where are you? You bitch ass tube. I'm gonna end the vlog here, man. Make sure y'all leave a like. Don't do dumb shit like this, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my room, take this damn clip out. And the baby will soon enough sleep. I'm gonna take the clip out right now. Shit. Walks in there. That's how I know it's hard to press down. I could put 10 in here, no problem. I'm a dog with this nigga. I'm a man. I don't need no fucking, what's it called? A speed loader and shit, bro. I don't need none of that bullshit. I'm a dog, nigga. I really do this shit myself, man. So 10. This 34 one, I ain't loaded, I ain't gonna lie. Someone gave this to me, I ain't gonna say it on camera. I ain't gonna talk about it. But this shit is sweet, bro. 34 shots, man. Yeah, oh no, you can see that, man. 34 shots in that bed. 30. 20. With that ass 10. Well, like I said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I need to go look for that damn shell, bro. I'm still panic mode. Fuck, bro. Make sure y'all leave a like and comment if you're new, bro.